How to change the business account to a personal account in WhatsApp. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change a business account to a personal account in WhatsApp. Firstly, go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download the WhatsApp Business application. After that, reach the WhatsApp Business app on your mobile phone. Now tap on the Settings option and tap on Chats. Here, you have to back up your chats to save your media and messages. Then, go to the Play Store and Apple Store and download WhatsApp Messenger. After that, put that phone number and use it in the WhatsApp application. Now, it will show you that if you use WhatsApp, your ads, labels, and products will be deleted. In the end, you have to add your WhatsApp username and you will be done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.